welcome back to another video. And today's video is a beat video. I know I've been gone for a little while, but it's school and I have videos related on that coming too if you're interested, but I won't keep you here too long. And this video is a YSL type beat, so you know everyone from just the YSL group, from Young Thug, Gunna, Lil Keed, RIP, and Young KO. So everyone from the YSL group, once again, I changed it up a little bit, like the flow of the video. The beginning of the video is going to be just showcasing main melody, top melody, and the percussion element. Then we're going to go into the beat showcase, and within the beat showcase, I have two variations. So if you just want to hear the beat without a vocal reference, I have that there, and the one with vocal reference is a little shorter, but I put Young Thug on it, and I think it sounds slapping. I also went back in and touched up the hi-hats because when I made the beat originally, I don't know what I was doing. Y'all may see it in there. I pretty much just made them bouncier. And enjoy the video. Thank you so much for getting this far in the video. If you enjoyed what you saw so far, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Now we're going to get into the two different beat variations, the one with and without the vocal. The one without the vocal is first, and the one with the vocal is next. Comment down below which one y'all like better. Which artist would you prefer on it versus the one I picked. And other than that, enjoy the beat. See y'all in the next one.
a little sip of that act. Flood all my bitches in that. I'm in the projects with that pet. My cherry leave, I'm blind like bats. Diamonds for her in the back. Hit that little bitch from the back, just that. At me like, how I do that? Pop a lasagna, relax. About my rats, you get wet. If he got rats, he get text. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, attack. Bitch, all of my waters hit that. Pussy nigga, they some rats. He swung on my pockets, they fat, no catch. But all my bitches, they brats. Pop a little perky, relax. Turn up. Turn up.
Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on one of the links up here. Check out more content from me. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay chillin'. Keep creating.